Hi, my name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you how to look at your snapshots in Minecraft. They're also called screenshots. So if you want to do that, first of all, to take a screenshot while you're playing the game, you simply hit the F2 key on your keyboard, and it will automatically take a screenshot. It says down at the bottom left, saved screenshot, and it also says the date and the file type of that screenshot or snapshot. And to go and look at that, or to find that picture that we just took, just hit the escape key to open up the menu and hit save and quit to title, go to options, and then click this button here called resource packs. And when you go down here at the bottom, there's another button called open resource pack folder. And if you click that, it will open up this folder here. And up at the top, you see the option for the .minecraft folder. If you click on that, it brings up several different folders inside the menu here, and you'll see one that's entitled Screenshots. Double click that, and there's your picture. So if we pull that up, that's the exact screenshot that I just took in the game, and that is how you look at your screenshots. My name is Carl, and today I showed you how to look at your snapshots or screenshots while playing Minecraft. I hope that helps you enjoy the game and have a good time.